Y'all ready for a giveaway? Okay, this is gonna be the other giveaway for the month. I wanted to do this because I had such a great turnover when I did the cookie cookbook. And that was, it had like 800 cookie recipes in it or something. You guys seem to really enjoy that. So I'm going to do another cookbook. I bought this and I never cracked the spine on it. So my first cracking of the spine is going to be to show you guys. Any of you like Philadelphia cream cheese? This is called Cooking with Philadelphia, right? So look how thick this is. It's a pretty heavy book. So because of that, I'm sorry to say it has to be US only. So yeah, within the 48, yeah, that I can ship. Because this will probably go either FedEx or UPS. Because of the cost of the shipping. It's a pretty heavy book. It's like the other one. It's really heavy. But it's very colorful. It's a collection of delicious cooking and baking recipes to inspire and enjoy. So, let me show you a little bit about it. It's not only sweet dishes, but of course it's savory too. So it's got appetizers, simple meals, entrees, side dishes, desserts, handy tips, and an index. So it's over 200 pages. But each, it's like, I think each recipe actually has a photo. So yeah, it's a pretty expensive book. I was going to see if I could get a price on it for you. It's at least a $20 book, if not a $25 book. I can't find it. But anyway, it comes with a jacket. And the actual book looks the same as the jacket. Like I said, I've never cracked the spine on this. I always take really good care of my things anyway. So, let's see. Mini salmon cakes with creamy dill sauce. What else we got? I'm just going to flip through a few pages. Here we go. Baked crab ragoons. If you guys like to get those in the Chinese restaurant, this is the way to do it in a muffin tin. Sweet and hot cheese spread. That look yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Caramelized onion and olive tart. And like I said, I'm just flipping through this. I didn't tag any pages. Here's simple meals. Oh, here's a vegetable chowder. Well, that actually looks really good. It's got a little bit of oil, some onion, garlic, carrots, cauliflower, potatoes, chicken broth, milk, corn, of course your cream cheese, and dill. That sounds good. Now see, one of the reasons why, again, I'm giving this away just like I did my my cookie book. These are books that I was really interested in when I bought them, and I'm glad I did, but I do not eat dairy or eggs anymore, so, or any type of meat products. But I'll eat everything else. Does that make sense? Let me put it this way. Anything that grows out of the ground, I will eat. Except for rutabagas. I don't really like rutabagas. I've never liked rutabagas. And turnips. I like turnip greens. I've never liked turnips. Those are the two vegetables that I cannot stand. And I think it's because my mother used to take turnips. Was it turnips she did that with? Yeah, because they're really, really white. Whereas rutabagas, or is it the other way around? One of them's got kind of a golden color and the other one's a white color, like a potato. And my mother was sneaky. She was a smart woman. She'd say, if you put it on your plate, you must eat it. So we loved her creamy mashed potatoes. So she had made one time either rutabagas or turnips. I can't remember which. But anyway, it looked like her creamy, buttery, whipped mashed potatoes, because that's how she fixed it. So I got a huge helping on my plate. Well, to me, one of them, I can't remember if it's the rutabagas or the turnips, has a kind of a bitter taste to it. And because I put a big old heaping spoonful on my plate, my mother made me eat it. And ever since then, I won't have anything to do with it. I don't care what it is. I'm not having it. Crisscross shepherd's pie. Ooh. And that one calls for some Kraft cheddar cheese as well. That looks good, right? Now, I can make vegan versions of this, but the cream cheese is what gives it that extra pop, you know? And then I do make a vegan cream cheese. It's expensive, and I would prefer not to do that. Here's a pork tenderloin supper, which I wouldn't do anyway because I never ate pork. Even when I ate meat, I didn't eat pork. Ooh, here we go. 3 cheese chicken penne pasta bake. Yum, yum, yum. Somebody's going to be very happy to get this cookbook. One thing I like about this here's a deep dish chicken pot pie, is you could put this on your counter because you have a sample. It looks like a photo for every recipe, which is amazing. That's why I love this cookbook so much. The ones that have the photos of every recipe, those are the ones that are the more expensive books. So you guys are getting a really, really, I was going to say a good deal, but I'm not selling it. I'm giving it. Creamy beef stroganoff. That looks good. Now, I have made a vegan version of that before because I make a non-dairy mushroom cream sauce. Ooh, creamy chicken bacon tomato pasta. Yay! Is your mouth watering? Mine is watering. Ooh, here's a linguine with silky mushroom sauce. Fish in roasted red pepper sauce. I never liked fish. I did the occasional canned tuna, but that was about it. Like a tuna noodle casserole. I liked it with a lot of cheddar cheese. That's just me. Oh, here we go. Butternut squash puff. Ooh. Roasted sweet potato and carrot puree. Creamy citrus chive asparagus. Ooh, fabulous potatoes. Twice baked sweet potatoes. That looks good. So we can get into the desserts. Creamed corn. Ooh, here we go. Cheesecake party pops. That looks festive, right? I got my computer right over here downloading my old videos from my other channel because I'm going to compilate them and let you guys see them. Ooh, here we go. New York Cheesecake. My mother used to make this. Oh my gosh. Let's see if it was the same. Yeah. Okay, so you got a graham cracker crumb crust, graham cracker crumbs, sugar, butter, 5 packages of cream cheese. Sugar, flour, vanilla. She used, 4 eggs. I was going to say, she used eggs in hers. A little sour cream and a can of cherry pie filling. I think she made her own pie filling. I think it was usually like a strawberry maybe. But she made this New York style cheesecake because I have the springform pans that she used. Here's a pumpkin swirl. Those of you like pumpkin swirl cheesecake. Oh my gosh. Yeah, cream cheese can be used in more than just the cakes and the pies, but this was just something yummy. Chocolate raspberry thumbprints. You guys like thumbprints? They're pretty popular around here. I don't know. I've never heard of it. Oh, now here's an easy dessert dip. It's cream cheese, marshmallow cream. Oh, that's it. Blend it, refrigerate. That's it. Shoot, I can do a vegan version of that. That looks good. Red velvet cakes, truffles, lemon bars. Oh, here's a tiramisu bowl. Tiramisu, you guys like tiramisu? It's like oh, there we go. Yeah, pudding, vanilla pudding, lemon squares. And then in the back, it's got the index. A few more pictures. But anyway. Alright, so that's the giveaway. It's going to be, this is what we call the other giveaway, because y'all know I have 3 every month. The link will be down below for the cross-stitch giveaway that I'm doing a big kit. I'm going to do the book, and then I will have my crochet giveaway I will probably either do tomorrow night or this weekend. I've got to do the drawing. I'm going to do the drawing for the 9/11 video that I made. It's going to be something festive. It will be craft related. The winner will have an option to choose between 2 different things depending on what their hobby is. I already know what I'm going to give away. I didn't know at the time, but I do now. And then I'm also going to redo a giveaway for those of you who previously messaged on the one where I was giving away the custom-made stitch markers. I never heard back from that person, so I am going to redraw on that one. It was a hidden giveaway, and I think it was on the giveaway winners of last month that the hidden giveaway was on. But anyway, so I'm going to redraw that. Everybody else's packages I just went ahead and shipped out. Usually I wait till I get everybody's address and do it all at once, but because I hadn't heard from them, I was going to go ahead and do this. And all drawings for this month will be the first weekend after the end. I think it's October the 2nd. Let me look at my calendar real quick. I think it's October the 2nd. Whatever the first weekend of the month. Yeah, the 1st is on a Friday, so the 2nd, I'm going out of town, but I'm going to go ahead and film too. Yeah, so we'll have the drawing. It'll be a little over 2 weeks from now. Yeah, so we're going to have the drawing the first weekend in October. That's just the way it is. So that'll be for all the giveaways for the month. Definitely 3, possibly 4. Yeah, but I'm going to go ahead and do the 9/11. Actually, that would be 4. The 9/11 drawing, and then the drawing for, again, for the repeat for one of last month's giveaways. Anyway, sorry I'm rubbing my eyes. I'm just really tired, and I'm trying to get all this downloaded and labeled so that I can splice it together so you guys can see it. If you're interested in joining me on my TikTok, it's really funny, or a lot of it's funny. I am going to start. I was doing the question of the day, and I'd totally forgotten that I used to do that in the beginning when I first started my Young 40 Mom Raw channel. So I'm going to do that on my TikTok now, and it'll be easier for me to keep up with because TikTok is so short, sweet, and to the point. My TikToks are anywhere from 15 seconds to 3 minutes. Very, very short. But it's all about the participation, and it's fun. So anyway, so yeah, if you're interested, I'll leave the link below. And then also follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page if you're interested. Check it out, my Etsy shop. I do have a lot of stitch markers up now, finally. And I have more to put up there. I just haven't put them up yet. I've been working on that diligently for the past week as well. I have worked a little bit more on my Serenity Prayer cross stitch. I was doing that as a work project. But yeah. And then the next day or two, you're also going to see the crochet knit giveaway, so you want to keep an eye on that one. So yeah, so good luck, everybody. What I want you to tell me in the comments below is, what do you like to cook the most? Like, it can be your comfort food, it could be your guilty pleasure, it could be a crudité, it could be just a snack tray, it could be, what do you like to make for your family or for yourself? Personally, one-on-one. Is it Kraft macaroni and cheese? Is it seasoned popcorn? I make homemade seasoned popcorn on the stove with my Whirly Pop, and I use my own special seasoning on it. But yeah, what's your go-to? What makes you happy? What's your favorite recipe, or what's your favorite thing to cook? It could be brownies, it could be cookies, it could be pizza, it could be sushi, it could, you know, whatever. It's your favorite food to make. What's your favorite food to make? Yeah, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for participating. Thank you for being part of my world. I appreciate it. Showing the love. There's my little heart. Showing the love. Peace out.